Hi, this is Joe from Tax Education Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase a pass. Once you are logged into your account, you will be on the account information page here. We are going to go to General Info. We're going to go to the pass. This will have all the information about the pass you may be interested in. Once you're here, you want to click here to purchase an individual pass online. This is an individual unlimited pass, good for any online courses we offer. Click Proceed to Checkout, enter your credit card information here, and click Purchase. Once you do that, you will get a confirmation email with your pass number, and it will also show up on your profile page. When you return to your profile page, you will have your passes active down here, and it'll have a pass number. And I'll show you that in just a moment. Once you have purchased the pass, and you come back to your page, you'll see that the pass information now is active and your current pass number will be displayed below. Thank you.